Hey everyone, this is Jim Todd with Video Surgeon, and today I have another sneak peek video look into the development of Video Surgeon version 2. Alright, just as a quick preface, I'm going to be using yet again another guitar video, and I do this primarily because I have them handy, but it really doesn't matter what field you're in. If you use video for instruction, for teaching, for learning, whether you're a swimmer, whether you're a golfer, a tennis player, a coach for Little League, a football coach, this will allow you to analyze, to slow down, to loop video, and I think you will find it exceedingly valuable and useful. So there's my sales pitch. Let's go ahead and move on and show you what I want to demonstrate today, which is a new feature found in Video Surgeon that is not in the older version. It's something that if you're familiar with our product Song Surgeon, you will probably be able to understand pretty quickly. It's the ability to export. So let's first of all show you the video, and then I'll explain how exporting works and why it's so useful. So there's the video. Now let's say you want to learn that front lick or that front riff, that segment that's just played. First of all, it's very fast, and we would want to slow it down. Let's say we want to slow it down to 30%. So we have a looping area set up in which I've isolated this first 11 seconds, and we've now slowed it down to 30%. The next thing then that we can do is to export it. And when we export it, what we will do is to create a brand new video of only this first 11 seconds, this area defined within these red and green looping beginning and ending points. And it will play back at 30%. But let me emphasize again, it is a new video. So this speed change or this tempo change is embedded in it, and that means that after you've exported it and created it, you can take this to any video player. If you want to burn it to a DVD and play it on your full screen TV, your widescreen TV, you can do that. If you want to take it to a locker room to show your players, you can do that. If you want to take it to a guitar lesson to show your teacher, you can do that. So it makes these videos portable with these changes embedded in it. The other thing that I want to explain to you about it that is really cool is if you go to the edit button here and look at the loop settings, it's set to 999. This essentially means infinite. It will loop 999 times before it stops looping and plays on through this loop down here. But if we change this to something like 5 and save it, and then we go to export it, and in this case we're going to export the current loop, which is just this loop here, which is 11 seconds. We can give this a name, 30%, so let's call this guitar soloing 30%. And then if we select this checkbox here, on export, create number of loops specified in the loop count. Well, we've just specified 5 as the number in the loop count. So that means it will make 5 exact copies of this piece right here, slowed down to 30%, and it will put them back to back. So that means, first of all, you've got a video that's 11 seconds that you're going to slow down to 30%. So it's going to be almost slightly over 3 times longer. So it's going to be about a 33-second video, because it's going to be playing at 30%. And we're going to make 5 copies of it. So you're going to have 5 times 33 seconds. So essentially you're going to have 5 identical copies. And what it does when you do this, it essentially mimics the concept of looping without having to play this inside of Video Surgeon. And that also is a powerful feature. If you only want a single copy, you just don't select this. You go ahead and you give it the name, and you export it, and it'll create a single copy that'll play at 30%. But if you want 5 copies, guitar 30 times 5, let's say, just so we know, let's go ahead and export that. It'll take a little bit of time because remember, it's going to make 2.5 minutes of video here, or 5 times 33 seconds. So it says we're done. So let's go ahead now and open this up. And it's going to import the video. It'll take a couple of seconds. And it's rendering it right now. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copies. Each of them should be about 33 seconds. That's a 35-second mark there. So that looks like that's about right. And lastly, let's go ahead and play it back. Okay, and just to show you that we have 5 exact copies, let's go ahead and just start playing the next one, and then we'll conclude. So there you can see we're repeating what we saw in the first one when it played back. So indeed, it has given us 5 exact copies on export. So you'll be able to take this video that we've created, this 30-second segment times 5, and burn it to a DVD and play it on your widescreen TV. You'll be able to play it on your computer. You'll be able to play it on any standard video player. And that makes this completely portable, so you can take it with you to school, you can take it to the locker room, you can take it to your guitar teacher, you can move it around as you need to. And with that, we'll conclude this sneak peek video for the development of VideoSurgeon version 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.